Let's go to the beach with the bicycle. Let's go. Nusa Dua Beach. Init. Ha? Oh. Sunbathing nga. Sunbathing. So, this is Nusa Dua Beach. White sand na. Hindi lang siya ganun kapino. Right. So, balik muna kami ng hotel kakain. Tapos sa swimming pool na lang kayo maliligo. Alright.
Naka-video? Okay, naka-video only po.
Kaya mo ba mag-video?
Oo, pwede naman.
Hindi ka mukha ano? Alright. Bamboo. Ano? Bamboo shades.
Shoot up.
So going to streets daw to. Basta hilahin mo lang. Hilahin mo. Papasok ka dito. Yan. Pagi. Ano bang ito? Pagi. Pagi. Ang pagi naman sa Ilocano. Pagi yung stingray. Pagi. Salamat pagi kasi ang good morning. Saan tayo dadaan
So
dito?
near here. You don't done it.
Dito pala.
Oh my
Kaya lang,
God.
papasok ka.
It's okay.
Eh, yung hotel namin, oh.
Alright.
Oh.
There's a hotel. Oh my God.
Kaya lang, siyempre, pag papasok ka dun, dadaan ka ng ano,
Na main gate.
security ng, hindi ko lang kung anong hotel yun. Dagdagan na naman yung kulay ko. Dagdagan ng 0.001 millimeter. Yeah, thank you. Kasi alright, we're back. Layo pa nung binek namin papasok doon pala.
Yung pala lang
Ay.
sa kabilang side. My God.
Man, paakyat ah. Hawak ka. Hirap kaya mag-pedal. Ah!
I help you, I help you. Help you. Okay.
Paakyat eh oh.
Help you.
Oops!
Oops.
Feeling ko magulo yung video. Okay. We arrived. We have arrived. So may mga bike na pwedeng rentahan. Rentahan. Hiramin pala. Then mag-ikot-ikot doon sa labas. That's it. Yes, sir. May pamalambot. Thank you.
Apple. Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Thank you.
Two sinisita.
Yes. Right, so we have laksa here. Iba siya sa laksa ng Singapore. Yung laksa nila is creamy, creamy. Ito, hindi masyadong kita yung yung gata niya. Oh. See? Sarap pa. Sarap. The best. Just the best.
Mali.
5 star. She is 5 star. She is 5 star. Let's go swimming before we go back to SG. Ooh, lamig. Lamig. Okay na. Pa-shower na ako.
Hanggang saan yung malalim?
Ang ganda.
Pag after na yan, dito na.
Malamig yung tubig, pero yung temperature dito sa mainit. Sarap. Pabalik na kami ng room. Tapos na kami mag-swimming. Papalik na kami ng room. Tapos na kami mag-swimming. Check out na kami ngayong araw. And that's it here in Bali, Indonesia. So it's been a wonderful experience traveling here and visiting tourist spots. So we're now headed back to Singapore and our flight is at 5:30 in the afternoon. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. So we'll see you again on the next video.